need to go check out the infinity pool at some point. Take the GoPro underwater, see what it is. Need to have more fun on this vacation. Sneaky charges all the time. This is the entrance to the museum. They say it's a random place for a museum, but I like where it is located, the place. And once you're done with this museum, you understand why it's special. But right here, it was about 16 euro to get in. It was 5 more euro to get the audio pass. That's what I decided upon. Are coming in now. Lucky for me, I was just one person, so I got in at 12:30. I'm done. I have the rest of my day ahead of me. But again, Museum of Picasso was something that was highly recommended that I see, and I've seen it. So I don't know what to do next, but this is the front, okay? What's up, everybody? I just finished the Pablo Picasso Museum. Just come down here, get a pass. You don't have to do it online. They'll give you a scheduled time. Come back during that scheduled time and just plan maybe like, I don't know, 60 to 90 minutes. And make sure you pay the $5 so you can hear more about the artwork. There's a lot more behind just the artwork. You know, I don't know, after seeing his whole progress, that boy painted all the time. He has so much work. And some of the best of his work is not even here. This is the stuff that was donated. And some works aren't actually on display. So some of the numbers you can just listen to, but they're not actually there in person. Decide however you want. This is not on a main street, it's on a side street. So come check it out, it should be very easy. So I think this is a beautiful setting right here. You see the sunlight, looks nice going down the alley. So after Pablo Picasso Museum, I'm gonna go check out this cathedral. It's called the Barcelona Cathedral. I don't know what it's about, but I'll take about a minute or two of video and edit it up for you all to see. But you know, this day Barcelona feels nice. It's a little windy, it's a little breezy. It's not as hot as it's been every other day. And I don't know, it just seems nicer. Barcelona day 3 is getting much better on me. I'm starting to understand. It's a very hectic city. It's a metropolitan city. A lot going on. Definitely have to be careful, but it's safe. It's safe once you get used to it, but not initially. What's up, everybody? Check out this spot. So much has changed since the first day I was here. First day I was here, there's like students making drawings. Today it's like a busy, happening, bustling spot. I believe because it's like lunchtime. This is all the places you can eat in this center. And I've come to realize how important this location is. So it's in Las Ramblas. You'll hear that place over and over again. But look, that's the location. I'm gonna take myself out of this. How do I look, ladies and gentlemen? So I'm doing a little walk over here because all the taxis are taken. So when the taxis are taken, you gotta walk I didn't ever get a bicycle. I never got one of the scooters either. I guess somewhere I decided it wasn't safe. But right now I'm just taking a walk, and I don't think you'll pick this up because I'm talking into the wind. So I just continue recording video.